Good day everyone. Nice having you in today's class. In today's class we'll be looking at word problems on subtraction of capacity. But before we commence, my name is Mr. Chinoso. Remember what we did in our previous class? We treated addition of capacity in word form. But today we'll be looking at subtraction of capacity in word form. So let's look at the exercise in number 1. A jug with a capacity of 20 milliliter. We say that milliliter is the smallest unit of capacity. Remember what we said? It is the smallest unit of capacity, milliliter. So when you say a jug, that means the jug is not that big because the milliliter here is the smallest. So a jug with a capacity, please listen up properly and let's do this. Thank you. A jug with a capacity of 20 milliliter. M is milli and L means what? Liter. Is used to fill 5 milliliter. That means this container is smaller compared to this. This is 20 and this is 5. So it's used to fill 5 milliliter capacity of tea cup. Now you want to take your tea in the morning, you go to your jug and you will prepare your tea and use to fill up your tea cup. Now you don't know how many times you can fill it up, but let's see how many times this can be filled in this tea cup. How many tea cups will it fill? So how many times will it fill the tea cup? Will it fill it just twice or 3 times or more than that? So we want to do this now. Please follow me as we do that. Solution. So we're trying to get our answer to this. Now remember, the jug has what? $20 milliliter, and we have our tea cup which is what? 5 milliliter. So you have to take your jug and pour into this. We don't know how many times it can fill it. Remember we have what? 20 and we have 5. Now we are taking out. Remember we are not filling in. We are taking out from this to this. So when we are taking out, that means it's what? Subtraction. Because we are not adding. We are not adding from the smaller to the bigger what? Container. We are taking from the bigger container to the smaller one container. We are removing from it. We are fetching out. Remove. Take away. So we use our subtraction sign to do this. Now you say what? 20 milliliter minus 5 milliliter. This is what? Our cup. Tea cup. Good. 5. So let's subtract this. 0 minus 5. Can you count 0? Can you count 0? No. Good. So what we do? We brought 1 from 2. And 2 changes to what? 1. It reduces to 1. You have 2 and you remove just 1. You have 1 left. So we have 1 left. Remember the one you brought, you give it to 0, which makes it what? 10. So let's count 10 and take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We take away what? 5 from 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good, we've taken it away. What do you have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 left. When you subtract 10 and 5, you have 5 left. So what do you have here? 1. There's nothing here, so we bring this one down. We have 15 milliliter. Wow. We still have another 15 milliliter. Remember, we must get to 0 before we can empty the what? Jug. But now we removed 5 milliliter from this. We have 15 left. So let's take out another 5. Another 5. We are pouring in another one. This is our second cup. The first cup, this is the second cup. Let's see what we have here. 5 minus 5. You count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take out 5 from it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you have left? Nothing. Nothing means was 0. And remember, we have 1. You bring it down. Milliliter. Wow, we still have what? We have 10 left. That means we can keep what? Pouring until we are done having nothing. So let's see again. We have another cup to pour in. This is our third cup. Subtraction. Now 0 minus 5. Can you count 0? Good. No, it was. We borrowed 1. You borrow 1. What do you have left? Nothing. So nothing means 0. You bring it here to make it what? 10. 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5. You count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's count out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 left. This is 0, so it means not. We can write it down. So we have 5 left. So we still have more 5 to do. So let's see. Subtract this again by our fourth cup. Now 5 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 0 left. So let's count how many cups we filled now. We have the first cup 1, the second cup 2, the third cup 3, and the fourth cup 4. So it will fill just what? 40 cups. That is the answer to this question. So when you fill 20 milliliter of what? Maybe water or any liquid into this 5 milliliter, it will take just 4 cups. So we go to number 2. And let's see what we have in number 2. A cask with a capacity of 36 liters. It has a capacity of what? 36 liters. This is not milliliter, that means this container is very big. It's not small. It's used to fill 9 liters container capacity of jerry can. I'll take it again. Please listen up. Listen up. A cask with a capacity of 36 liters. L means liters. It's used to fill 9 liters capacity of jerry can. How many jerry can will it fill? Now we want to know how many jerry can this fill. Remember, trying to get our answer. This is the solution to this question. Now we have, let's see, these are cask of what? 36 liters, and these are what? Jerry can. Of 9 liters. So we want to take out maybe oil or water or anything contained in this cask and fill it into this container, jerry can. Now let's see how many times we can get that. Remember, we are using what? Subtraction, because we are taking out. Taking out means to subtract. So let's say 36 liters minus 9 liters. Now we have 6. When you count 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take out 9 from 6. 6 is not bigger than 9, so we can take out 9 from 6. We what? We borrow from 3. We are having what? 2 left. You have 3, you borrowed 1, you have 2 left. And the one you borrowed, you give it to us 6 to make it what? Bigger, which is 16. Remember we've counted 6, so let's count 16 from 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We've counted 16, so let's take out 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What do you have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 left. So remember we have nothing here. We bring down the 2. Bring down your 2. When you have nothing, bring it down. And we have 27 liters. Now 27 liters is remaining. So we keep what? Subtracting until we get to what? 0. So with your 9 again, you pour this in. 7 minus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You cannot take out 9 from 7 because it's not possible. You what? You borrow 1 from 2. You have 1 left. And you give it to 7 to make it 17. To make it what? 17. Now 7 is not bigger. 7 is now what? 17. So we can count from 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So take out 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what do you have left? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 left. Remember we have 1 up here. We bring it down. So this is our what? Remember this what? Our jerry can. Okay, remember the 9. This is our first can, second jerry can, and now we still have more. So let's get our third jerry can. Now we have this. Remember, this is subtraction. This is our third jerry can. Now 8 minus 9. Let's count 8 all the way. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So take out 9 from 8. 8 is now bigger than 9, so we can't do that. We go what? 1 from here. We have 0 left. We give it to 8 to make it 18. Now 18 is bigger than 9, so let's count 18. Remember we stopped at what? 8. Good, let's continue. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So take out 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What do you have left? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 9 liters left. So remember we are not done yet because we still have more. Subtract it again, which is our fourth can. Now these numbers are identical, so when you subtract identical numbers, you have what? 0. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Take out 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 left. So how many cans do we have? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 cans, jerry cans. Your answer is what? 4 jerry cans. So when you fill this into this capacity, you have 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 4. So we go to the last word, exercise, which is number 3. Please read with me. A water bottle with a capacity of 12 milliliter is used to fill 4 milliliter capacity of glass cup. How many glass cups will it fill? How many? Remember, our water bottle of what? 12 milliliter. You want to fill it into what? Different glass cups of 4 milliliters. Now, remember we are taking from the bigger to the smaller, so we have to what? Subtract. We have to what? Subtract. So let's do this now. We have 12 milliliter minus 4 milliliter. These are what? Glass cup. Now remember we say what? 2 minus 4. 1, 2. Take out 4 from 2. Is that possible? Is that possible? No, we pull 1 from 1. We shall have nothing left, and we give it to 2, which is 12. So 12 is now bigger than 4. We can now count 12. Remember we stop at 2, so let's count from there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Take out 4 from 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do we have left? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 milliliter because we have nothing here to write here. Remember, we still have 8. We still have to subtract again. This is our second word, glass cup. 8 minus 4. So can we count 8 and take out 4 from 8? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What would I do now? How many would I take out from 8? How many? 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have what left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 milliliters left. Now this 4 is not this, it's gotten from the subtraction of these 2. So remember we still have 4, so we can subtract it again till we arrive at 0. Till we arrive at what? 0. Then we stop. Okay. Identical numbers. What would you say about identical numbers subtracting each other? We say that when you have identical numbers subtracting each other, you have 0 left. So we count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will I take out from 4? 4. They are identical. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you have anything left? Good. No. So how many glass cups do I have here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So we need what? 3 glass cups. 3 glass cups. Please go through your work and listen carefully. Remember that we subtracted using what? This and this. Please keep subtracting until you arrive at 0 or a smaller digit that you cannot subtract anymore. Remember to do your classwork. Remember to do your classwork. I'll see you in our next class. Do have a wonderful day. Please stay safe.